Today's body cam footage shows a routine traffic stop that quickly revealed something much more serious. A former mayor and current township committee member was pulled over for a registration violation. But when the officer checked her information, he discovered her driver's license had already been suspended following a previous DUI case. Let's see what happened.
Good morning, ma'am. Officer Kramer, Mount Lower Township Police Department. May I have your license, registration, proof of insurance, please?
Sure.
Just so you know, my body camera's on, so we can audio and video record it, okay?
Sure, of course.
All right, man. Just the reason for a stoppage, your registration expired.
It did? Oh,
Yeah.
wow. Oh, my God. I didn't realize that.
No worries. It just expired.
Okay. Oh,
You just weren't aware of it?
No, I wasn't.
All right, no worries.
Sorry.
Your license is fine and everything?
Yes.
All right, as long as that's all good, I'll get you in the morning and get you out of here, okay?
All right, thank you.
All right, hang on, I'll call you right back.
All right.
You're in the front lawn.
They're on 46.
Okay. That's the message for the township.
At this point, the officer only knows the registration is invalid. The driver appears genuinely surprised and insists there are no issues with her license, but the officer still has to verify everything through the system.
All right, ma'am. Were you aware that your license is currently suspended?
So it was suspended for 90 days, but I got credit for having interlock in my car.
Okay.
I to 12. So I went to the NBC and threatened them. They did tell me it may not show up in the system, but my lawyer told me to file a court paperwork for just in case because I didn't have it.
Okay.
But the judge did rule the suspension over 12 days, and that was back on March 2nd. So.
All right, so under your impression, it's supposed to be dropped and everything?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
I would never, after everything I've been through, I would never see part of it.
No, get him.
Yeah, my attorney warned me that it may not show up in the system. Definitely without offense. Because NBC almost didn't get back to me. I had to call my attorney while I was there. Because I literally took care of it last week.
Okay.
So I apologize. I wish I had a paper.
Yeah, I wish so too.
I had to take my IDRC class last week for one of my classmates.
Right.
I think I left
Okay. All right, listen, I'm not going to tell your car or anything like that. All right. As of right now, your license is currently DMV. It's currently suspended. All right, so you just can't be driving right now?
This is where the stop changes completely. The officer learns that her driver's license is actually suspended due to a previous DUI-related matter. What's interesting is that she seems just as surprised by that information.
All right, listen, I already got the ticket for the suspended driver's license. Bring that documentation to court with you. When you go to court and explain to them that if it is a DMV error, just explain to them it's a DMV error, and then we'll drop the ticket. Okay, so we'll go from there. Like I said, so here's all your documentation back. I'm not gonna tell your car you just can't drive. You gotta have somebody come pick you up. All right, and the car has to get registered. All right, so your court date is on the 26th of this month at 10 o'clock at the address above the ticket. All right.
Okay, yes, sir.
Do you have any questions for me, ma'am?
No, I do not.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yep. Just if you don't mind, just I don't want you to get hit on the side of the shoulder. Just pull into the U-Haul and get a ride. Okay.
Okay, yes, sir.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Dr. 147.
147.
Chief, you have any ambulance response to 60 for a diabetic person? They are open.
Okay, is that for 190's call?
Instead of towing the vehicle immediately, the officer chose a less restrictive option and allowed her to arrange transportation. She ultimately received citations for driving with a suspended license and driving with a suspended registration. Cases like this are a reminder that even public officials are expected to follow the same traffic laws as everyone else. And sometimes, what starts as a simple registration stop can uncover much bigger legal issues.
When you look at this footage, it's clear. Something doesn't quite add up with his alibi. Let me know what you think in the comments below.